Hey, to check how much you have to pay for the online ID change of the PS5 Slim, first of all, you have to go into the settings, so go into the right upper corner, go into the users and accounts. From here, go to the account. And now you have to go into the profile and go into the online ID. Now click accept and continue. And from here, you can sign in manually with your password, or you can also scan the QR code, or basically accept the login on your PS application. So that's how it looks in my case. I just have to click approve. And here, as you can see, that's the price. So I just didn't even use the first free change, but normally it costs around $9, $10. And yeah, that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.